One product decision should not become 4 platform rewrites. I built Intentform to keep product intent as the source of truth. Tools like Figma and Paper make design feel direct, but when a design becomes code, its meaning is often lost. Intentform turns a product brief into one validated semantic interface graph. Here I can edit layout, tokens, components, states, accessibility, flows, and device rules. For example, I can decide that the main action must stay easy to reach on a small phone. Intentform saves the meaning of that decision, not only a position on the screen. From the same graph, Intentform creates deterministic output for Web, React, Expo, and Swift UI. Every file is readable and connected to the original graph nodes. GPT 5.6 does not write the final platform files directly. The deterministic compilers do. This makes the result easier to inspect, repeat, and trust, but generated code is not proof. In Verify, Intentform checks responsive behavior, accessibility, runtime parity, browser output, and native evidence. Every report is connected to the exact graph fingerprint. If the design changes, the old evidence becomes stale. It cannot silently pass. Intentform shows the full path from product intent to generated source to build and finally to real runtime behavior. An agent can also suggest a small semantic repair. It cannot change the project in secret. Intentform shows the exact diff. A person can approve or reject the change, run an independent verification, and restore an earlier version. This keeps AI judgment useful, controlled, and reversible. I used Codex to build every part of this project. I used it from the first idea to the final submission. Codex helped me plan the product, study the architecture, write the code, design the user experience, fix bugs, handle edge cases, write documentation, and prepare the release. I created several Codex threads and used them together. Some threads implemented features, other threads reviewed the interface, tested native output, searched for bugs, and checked the work of the other agents. Codex also created and ran unit tests, browser tests, native checks, and stress tests. The final release passes 551 unit tests, 29 production browser scenarios, and a stress test with 10,000 nodes. I also used OpenAI ImageGen to create the Intentform logo and visual assets. Inside Intentform, GPT 5.6 handles the work that needs judgment. It understands unclear product briefs and suggests constrained repairs. Schemas, compilers, fingerprints, evidence, history, and rollback stay deterministic. One intent, 4 native outputs. Evidence that stays current. Intentform does not translate pixels, it preserves product intent.